Okay, so this one is for phonics, all of the assessments and things. I'm gonna start over here before I lose my place. I put this one in the phonics tab, but here's the alphabet knowledge assessment, along with all of the stuff we got for that. That's for the other class. In a spelling, I put the names test. It didn't have any hole punches, and I haven't gotten around to one yet. But as soon as I do, I'll just put it in there. But I just put it in a little slip thing. Right here, back to the beginning, is where all the rest of mine are. It's the Yap Singer. Ooh, with all of that, concepts of print. And everything with that, rhyme recognition. Or a language assessment. That's for that class. Okay. So there are all of my assessments right in here.